Your front door does more than welcome guests. It plays a critical role in protecting your home and standing up to daily wear. Homeowners often underestimate how much professional installation affects an entry door's performance. That's where experienced Entry Doors Fayetteville installers make a real difference. From enhanced security to long-term durability, expert installation ensures your door works as hard as it should. Stronger security starts with proper installation. Even the most advanced entry door can fall short if it's poorly installed. Professional Fayetteville installers focus on precision from the start. They ensure the door frame is perfectly aligned, anchored securely, and reinforced where it matters most. This tight, exact fit prevents gaps or weaknesses that intruders could exploit. Installers also upgrade or properly install essential security features such as reinforced strike plates, heavy-duty hinges, and multi-point locking systems. These components distribute force across the frame rather than concentrating it in one area, making forced entry far more difficult. With professional installation, your entry door becomes a true security barrier rather than a decorative panel. Durable materials installed the right way. Durability isn't just about choosing the right door, it's about how that door is installed. Entry door professionals understand how different materials behave over time. Fiberglass, steel, and solid wood all expand and contract differently due to temperature and humidity changes common in the Fayetteville area. Experienced installers allow for these natural movements during installation, preventing common issues such as warping, sticking, or cracking. They use proper shimming, weather-resistant fasteners, and sealants designed for long-term performance. The result is an entry door that maintains its structure, appearance, and function year after year. Protection against weather and wear exposure is one of the biggest threats to entry door longevity. Fayetteville installers take extra steps to protect your home from moisture, drafts, and temperature fluctuations. This includes installing high-quality weather stripping, threshold seals, and flashing that prevent water infiltration. A properly sealed entry door keeps rain and humidity out while maintaining indoor comfort. It also reduces strain on heating and cooling systems, which indirectly protects your door by preventing constant expansion and contraction caused by extreme indoor temperature changes. Reinforced frames for long-term strength. One of the most overlooked aspects of entry door durability is the frame. Professional installers often reinforce door frames with stronger materials or additional fasteners, especially when replacing older doors. A reinforced frame prevents sagging over time and keeps the door opening and closing smoothly. This added structural strength also supports heavier, more secure doors without compromising performance. Homeowners benefit from a door that feels solid every time it closes and stays properly aligned for years. Expert Fit improves everyday reliability. Daily use puts constant stress on an entry door. Slamming, frequent opening, and seasonal changes can quickly expose installation flaws. Professional Fayetteville installers eliminate these issues by ensuring the door is level, balanced, and evenly supported. This precision reduces wear on hinges, locks, and seals, extending the lifespan of every component. Homeowners notice fewer repairs, smoother operation, and a door that continues to look and perform like new. A smart investment in home value and peace of mind. A professionally installed entry door isn't just about aesthetics, it's an investment in security, durability, and peace of mind. Fayetteville installers help homeowners choose doors that match their security needs while ensuring every detail of the installation supports long-term performance. When installed correctly, an entry door enhances curb appeal, increases property value, and provides confidence that your home is protected. With expert craftsmanship and attention to detail, professional installers transform a simple door into a reliable safeguard for your home and family.